What are you showing me here?
Have you seen D-Brand's verified stickers?
No.
They're kind of cool.
So what do I do with these?
You stick them on stuff.
Oh, it's like a physical, it's an actual sticker.
Yeah.
This is not a digital asset. This is not an NFT.
No.
Let's see how they describe it. What do fake news sites, bot accounts, and Linus G. Sebastian have in common? They aren't verified on Twitter. But now anyone can be verified.
There you go.
We have just one question. Why stop at Twitter accounts? Instead of footing the bill for the worst bluff of all time, pay us once to verify whatever you want. Checkmate. Elon, $8. And you can verify whatever you want. Just put your nice little blue check mark on there. Mm-hmm. Where would you put these stickers, Will? You could put it on your MacBook right over top the Apple logo. You just verify your MacBook.
Sure, yeah.
I think some people might do that.
They're fun.
Yeah, that's a cool idea. There. I knew NFTs are going to have to make an appearance at one point. Of course, we had to have the ape in there. Even Linus gets a check mark.
Go.
Well, it is true that he is not verified. His personal account is not verified, but Linus Tech Tips is verified. So just to be clear. Now, you want one of these check marks, don't you, Will?
I do, actually.
So
maybe I'll just buy a few of these.
Yeah, I think you might. I think these might be better in the long run.
It's better in real life.
Yeah, I think these might be better in the long run for you. Go for the D brand version. Put wherever you want.
So yeah, they're $8.
Oh, some people might even put it on their Tesla.
Why not?
I verify that.
Cool.